My hair is very healthy. As me. Hoy, Riz, unmute mo pala yun si ano, yung Gabi. Is my cousin from Bicol. Is just, chinecheck niya kasi ako dito para masabi sa ano ko, sa family ko. Oo, yung Gabi, yung inano mo, yung nagbibicol, yung ang daming sinasabi. Pinsan ko yun. Anak ng kapatid ng mama ko. Kasi, andun sa Bicol yung pamilya ko. So, pinapacheck siya sa akin. Okay lang. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba, pahayaan mo na lang yun. Okay lang, Gagi. She's like, Pop, I'm apply. What's that? What is that? Ay, it's me. Come. Sige lang, ta. Para sorry na ka, ano kasi.
Nagka-live ka ba?
Sige lang, ta. Hindi ka naman kita dyan.
Thank you.
Means I have to hover around you. I don't understand. Oh my God, my mind is not working right now. Ala, yan na siya. Yan na siya. Ay, papi. Yan, papi yung. Ang ganda ng buko ngayon, papi yung. Tita, labas ba kayo, tita? Ta? Ta, Rachel? Oo nga. Okay, we have your mind alone. Papi, wait lang. Straight yarn. Hindi, kulot nga, oh. Pero at least healthy na siya. Kailangan to ng plancha lang, plancha. Paplansyahin ko yan. Ano, tingnan mo, oh. Ang ganda, ang healthy niya, oh. Kasi ginamit ko yung conditioner galing abroad ng tita ko. Ang ganda ng conditioner niya. I use it. Anong Mira? Anong Mira? Oo nga, ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda nun ah. Naka-ready ako doon. Naka-ready ako doon, papi. Kala mo ah. Naka-ready ako doon. Ayos yun ah. Papi, yung madali na ako, papi, mag 20K. Oh my God, 100 plus na lang. Tama ba? 2,000. Tama ba? Dali na ako mag 20K. Oh my God, help me guys to get the 20K. Ah. $20K. Yeah. Look at that. I'm 19,892 now. Look at that. 20K beads. It's very near. Tama ba? Less than 2K na lang. I think 1K? 1K. Oo, siguro. Oo, less than. Oo, tama. Yeah. To get the quota, 20K. That you. I die. What? Yeah, I want to do that. That's my goal today. To get that. Ah! Paano mo nasabi pa? Wait lang. Ay, akala ko ano na lang. Akala ko 100 or 200 plus na lang ang kulang. Ah! Bubo ko magbilang. Wait lang, ilan pa ba? Ah, tama pala ako, tama. 108 more to 20k, you get it. Yeah. Tama pala ako. She got in your face, will mirror. El Chapo, baka naman 100 plus to get the 20s. Joke lang. She got in your face, got a minute, Marila. Akala ko, papi, na ano ako eh, na akala ko mali ako eh. Sabi ko, mali pala ako. Sige na guys, bagsak-bagsak na mga kanta na si Us. Yeah, bagsak-bagsak na kayo. Bagsak na kayo. Oh my God. What's Mira? Hello, madali na ako kumuta. Ha, namalibas ako. Oh my God. Hi, Star. Hello. Hi. There you go. Ayan, 20k na. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Aki. Thank you, Star. Marilang. Thank you so much. 20k na. Bilis lang. Bilis lang, no? Thank you, Aki. Thank you, Papi. Now on to 30k. I don't know if I can do that. I want to, it's very hard. It's lalakas mga supporters mo eh. Kaya nga, this month you can. Yeah, this month. I don't think so, Aki. It's very hard to get that. Marila. You want married? Yeah. In the right time, I get married. Ikaw pa, you're welcome. Thank you, Papi. Papi, nasa work ka now? Kamusta ka now ngayon, Papi? Hindi kayo na, 2 more weeks to go. Yeah. I hope so to get that. Because I want to buy another one cell phone that not blocking out. So work ka pala now, Papi. Wala ka namang ginagawa now? Marila. Gusto ko siya patalian, pero wala akong pantali. Get it. Managing. Managing. Sabi ko, Papi, managing. Managing pala. The pain may. Wala ka, Paping, tinitake na gamot? Break lang. Wala na. Need talaga surgery na, no? Pa-surgery ka na dyan, Papi. Waiting in surgery na lang. Yeah. Pag-pray kita, Papi. Haba na, Papi, ng buko. Oo, soon. Sayang, Papi. Ang tagal mo, sumayaw ako kanina. Wala akong pang tali. Oh my God. I don't have any, Tumakira ka and inako. Bukwaro na ta. Thanks, sumayaw ka. Kaya nabagsakan ako ng 2k na naman. Pumasok. Sinayawan ko lang. Tapos, ayun. I need a rubber band. Oh my god, I don't have need. I don't need. I don't want. I don't have rubber band. Shawty, you didn't have makeup. Brown eye chick. Wait, I will, my ponytail. I will, niya. Nagsusugal ka. Yan na lang yung pera ko, ho. This is my only money for now. Cause, pari lang. Oo, tatali ko sa, Kaso mangangalay ako eh. Ganyan na lang. Hi, Johnny G. Welcome back. I'm being baby now. Thank you so much for the gift lately. Lately, shiny ng hair mo. Kaya nga eh. Wednesday Adam. Just passing by. Oh, you welcome. Ano daw, papi, ang just passing by? Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me because look at now. I'm quota 20k beans. You helped me to reach my quota. That's why I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. Napadaan lang. Yeah. It will help me a lot. So, thank you so much. Hala, may naiwan. I will braid my hair because it's my trippings. No. Yeah. Thank you so much for that. I'm not crazy now. You make me change. Charot, joke lang. Just kidding. I will never change, I think. Joke lang. Help our host reach 30k. I don't think so if I can reach that. You always laughing, Johnny G.